Hello, my friend. My name is Emma, and today I want to talk to you. Yes, you who are learning English. Maybe your name is Aisha or Juan or Fatima or Ravi, whatever your name is. I see you, and I'm proud of you. You are learning a new language, asterisk. Do you feel nervous when you speak English? Maybe you forget words. Maybe you make mistakes. And maybe you feel shy or not confident. You're not alone. Many people feel the same, but listen, confidence doesn't mean speaking perfect English. It means trying even when you're afraid. It means practicing every day. Don't wait until your English is perfect. Start speaking now with the English you already know. The more you speak, the better you get. Yes, you will make mistakes. That's normal. That's how we learn. Every mistake helps you grow. Every try makes you stronger. So don't give up. Keep learning. Keep speaking. You are improving every day. Be proud of yourself. Be brave. You are doing great. Remember, you're not just learning English. You're learning to believe in yourself, and that is powerful. Keep going. You can do it.